In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete LinkedIn posts anonymously. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. The very first step is to locate the post that you want to delete. To do this, head over to your LinkedIn profile. You can easily do this by clicking on the Me icon, which is found at the top right corner of your LinkedIn homepage. Once you're on your profile, scroll down until you reach the Activity section. This section gives you insights into your interactions, and it's where you can find your posts. Here, click on Show All Posts to view a complete list of the posts you've made. Take your time scrolling through to find the specific post you wish to remove. Once you have identified the post you want to delete, the next step is to access the options for that post. Look for the three dots or ellipsis icon located in the top right-hand corner of the post. Clicking this will bring up a drop-down menu that contains several options related to your post. Now, here comes the crucial part, selecting to delete the post. In the drop-down menu that appears after clicking the three dots, you will find the option labeled Delete Post. Click on that option to initiate the deletion process. However, it's important to be careful at this stage. After you click Delete Post, a confirmation window will pop up on your screen asking if you are sure you want to delete the post. It's just a double check to prevent accidental deletions. If you're sure about your decision, simply click Delete, and that will permanently remove the post from your profile and the feed. Remember, deleting a post is irreversible. Once it's gone, you cannot recover it. Hence, make sure you really want to delete it before confirming. This process allows you to keep your LinkedIn presence polished and professional, and it's particularly useful if you've shared something that no longer reflects your thoughts or goals. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another topic you'd like us to cover. Happy networking, and let's keep improving our LinkedIn experiences together.